Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn parts of speech. There are total 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So let's start with noun. Noun is a naming word, name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Example: Rohan, cat, America, pencil. Rohan is an example of person, America is an example of place, animal is a cat, and pencil is a thing. Next, types of noun. There are 5 different types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. We will learn each of them in a detail with examples. So let's start with proper noun. Meaning: a proper noun is a name of a particular or a specific person, place, or a thing. Example: Ria, Delhi, etc. Example in a sentence: Delhi is capital of India. Here, Delhi and India both are name of a specific place. So, it is proper noun. Ria is a clever girl. Ria is the name of a specific person. So, Ria is a proper noun. I hope you are clear with this. So, let's start with next one, that is common noun. As the name says, common means name of a common person, place or a thing. Example: boys, parks, etc. Example in a sentence: boys like to play cricket. Here, boys is common noun. Why? Because we have not mentioned name of a specific boy. We have written boys. So, boys is common noun. Likewise, there are many parks in Mumbai. Parks is a common noun as we have not mentioned name of any specific park. That is, we have written parks. So, parks is a common noun. As many students get confused between these both, that is common and proper noun, we have made a distinguish between these two of them. You can see on right hand side, car is written. Car is common noun. On left hand side, swift car is written. Why? Because car is generally what we say, that is common noun, and swift car is name of a specific car. Likewise, you can see bulb, Surya bulb, fan, Usha fan. I hope you're clear with this. So next is collective noun. It refers to name of a group of people or a thing. Remember that group of people or thing. Group is important in collective noun. Example: army, bunch. Example in a sentence: Indian army has committed to save the country. Here, army is written for all Indian soldiers together. That's why army is collective noun. Second, I lost a bunch of keys. Here, I lost a bunch of keys means bunch of keys together means so many keys are lost by me. Not one key, two key, three key, bunch of keys. So let's see the next one, that is chart of collective noun. Here so many examples of collective noun are given, like a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of grapes, a stack of chairs. These all are collective nouns. Bouquet of flowers means so many flowers when grouped together are a bouquet of flowers. I hope you are clear with this. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is name of quality, feeling or emotion. Example: length, love, etc. The length of rope is 5 meters. I love my mom. Here, length, love. Love is an emotion. That is why it is an abstract noun. Example: I am angry with my mother or a sister. Here, angry is also an emotion, so it is an abstract noun. Remember, any emotion, feeling or a quality is an abstract noun. Next is material noun. It is very easy to identify material noun. Any name of a material or a substance is a material noun. Example: gold, milk, plastic, etc. First, my mom brought a cold drink for me. Here, gold is a metal or a substance, that's why it is material noun. Second, I drink milk daily in the morning. Here, milk is a substance that is liquid, that's why it is a material noun. So, I hope you're clear with this. And this is parts of speech part 1. Means only nouns and types of noun are explained in this video. If you want the remaining parts of speech, you can see it in my next video, that is parts of speech part 2. Thank you. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.